Right, so number one, as you can see, they're all transparent. That's what I like about it. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can put double side tape. As you can see here, you can put double side tape and then just glue it on your page. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am so happy to meet you, and then if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. Thank you. Right guys, today's video is inspired by Roxy weekly challenge by Roxy Create. And this week, last week actually, was the week 39, I would like to say, so I'm not 100% sure. But basically, Rachel showed how to make this transparent washi tape using some vellum and collage or different papers, textures, images, and create the strips that you then can cut and glue them. So I'm going to make some more of these tapes using, I got some vellums and I got some bits and bobs. As you can see, it's different papers from different digital kits that I have and I've been working in the past. So we're going to create like a massive collage and put it all together. I'm going to be using some napkins. I got these napkins very old. Also, I'm going to use some stencil because I really like this one, this motif here. So I'm gonna have a little play around and see what we're gonna make. I'm probably gonna make one with you guys because I just don't want to make longer videos. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna position them as it's kind of like as I go along really. There is no rules when we do these collage things. It just follow your imagination, see what your creativity and see what you want to do really. And that's the beauty of doing collages, because again, there's no rules. So what been up to this week? So last week was very intense. Working's getting a bit mad. I'll be doing a couple of night shift this week. So when you see this video, I'm sure I will upload this video on Monday. So I will, I'll be doing some night shift as we are approaching Christmas. There is quite a lot to do. As you can see, I'm sure if you go into the high street stores, you see a lot of stores that actually have the Christmas collections out and about. So I also actually, let me show you this from GK's, one of the botanical kit. They got this little tab, so I'm going to use that tab there, or you can actually use it on the side. I might use it on the side actually. I have a little play around. So yeah, I'm going to position them and then I'm gonna glue them off camera, so you guys, I don't want to bother you too much. It just, plays colors and things like that. I just don't want to cover them too much, but also what I might do is using these textures and some inks to create some some additional texture. Definitely going to use these napkins there, and the good things about this napkin on vellum, that will, of course, they will remain transparent, because when Rachel thought about this, you can cut them into pieces, use as a clusters, but also it's nice because it's transparent, so it doesn't cover too much, hence why I don't want to fill it too much. So I'm happy with that. And then I'm gonna do this one now, and then you just position them on here. As you can see, I use more like blue colors and a bit of red here. I think he needs some friend. Might pop that in there. I don't want to cover it too much. I might put some texture in there, so I'm going to leave it like that. I mean, you can go over the vellum, so you can do something like that, but I quite like to stay, apart from the butterfly of course, to stay inside the actual space. And the good things about this, as I said earlier, There is no rules, so you do what you want to do. Nobody will tell you off. So yeah, and this is another good project to use your scraps. So, you know, if you've got little bits and pieces, just use them all up so we get rid of it. In fact, am I going to use this piece there? I'm gonna ink it first. And there's something small in there. Not that. Yeah, I'm gonna put this little ticket there. And then, as I said, we're gonna play with some texture, with some inks and stamps and stuff like that. So that's the... Now this one, I want to make it quite neutral with neutral colors. So I love this butterfly. This is from I want to say it's from Tina Shabby Dabby Doobdo. You can download this from, it's free from her website. I'm sure that's from Tina's. And all these ephemera from all different creators. And that's what I like, the beauty of digital kit, because it's sort of things so you can just print them off again and use them all the time and use them when you want. So, oh, look at that little bird. So yeah, so that's gonna happen this week. Got a couple of nice shifts, just get Christmas out of the way. So, and then I will be working on a Sunday. So I'm trying to film some videos. The thing is, when I wake up, I'll probably wake up about dinner time, like lunchtime, and I will probably, the second night, I will probably go into work, and then after the third, when I come back from the second night, if it makes sense, during the day, I will probably sleep. It's kind of like a waste of time, really, but it is what it is, guys. So, in fact, I'm going to make them, make the fourth one too. We are on 7 minutes, so not too bad. Not too bad. As you can see, I've got not much left. Now, I've got this piece here. I think it was from the works, so I might use it. Ta-da! So we get Italy in the map. I'm gonna cut this off and chop this on the bottom there. So as you can see, the colors I'm using kind of like matches. And I've got some inks here. So I've got some purple, some blue and some pink, which is the main colors for that. And also I want to use some of these numbers. They are from Gail Agostinelli. That's one of her ephemera kit, I think. So we're going to pop some numbers. 3, we're going to pop him in there. Let me get rid of this. And 5 is my lucky number, is my favorite number. So we're going to pop number 5 somewhere. There is a B on top, so it doesn't matter. I will pop in there. So we're going to use a piece like that. Is the bird other way around? Yeah. We need a butterfly there, don't we? I want every piece to have his own butterfly. Yeah, there. Now we're gonna stay there. Fabulous. And then, excuse me, oh, that, because that matches this pink there. So that's gonna go there. We're also gonna get this in there. Oh, I love this little tag. In fact, I want some music notes there. Yeah, as I said, I wanted to play with colors and textures so it gets, am I in shot? Yes, I think so. So again, they're not too full, but they've got to be of focus, a bit of interest. Okay, and I'm going to definitely use the tabs. Yeah, have I got more? No. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3. 3 tabs. Yeah, that one. Oh no, yeah, I got more. Got 3 more. So I've got 6 in total. Yes. All right, guys. I'm gonna glue them all up. I'm gonna play with some napkins. I'm gonna add some texture, and I come back here and I'm gonna show you the final result. Okay, guys, I am back. Look at the state of my hands. I opened it. I was trying to open it, and I just literally squeeze it. So that's how clumsy I am. Right, so number 1, as you can see, they're all transparent. That's what I like about it. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can put double side tape. As you can see here, you can put double side tape and then just glue on your page. So you can, if I see something white, I've got something white, I'm going to use the back of this. So if you see that, you can see the back, if you know what I mean. So they will pop up, or whatever the color is from the bottom. That's the second. I mean, they're curled because they're still a bit wet, because I used liquid glue rather than dry adhesive. But when they will dry completely, I will press them so they will stay flat. That's probably my favorite. Which one? This one here. As you can see, I've used the stencils, I used the napkins, I used the numbers. So that's the 4 of them. What you guys think? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like? They hold the same color palette, if you know what I mean. So they all kind of like match. And as I said at the beginning of the video, you can just chop them off like that, or you can just leave it like, you can do anything that you want with that. I also want to showcase my page for the Woolly Steph Art Club prompt. The page this week, the page was a child. So my album 6x6. So I created this little page here. I used the stamps on the background. They were already printed on the paper. I used the Tim Holtz, the 2 lovely childs in there, and the one on the ephemera with the chocolates. And as you can see, I've used a stencil, which is this one here from everydayjournaling.com. Because I wanted to create like a little postcard from the girls, the little child that went to the chocolate chocolate factory, and they got something back. So that's kind of like the journey of the prompt. So that's my page. I hope that Steph will like that. Right, guys, that's it for today. Feel free to join Roxy Challenge and Steph page, which is #WS Art Club. And as I said to you guys at the beginning of the video, every week, or in Steph's case, every couple of weeks, you get new prompts. So, you know, it's just a way of creating something different, something new. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this project, please give me a big thumbs up, because that will support the video doing well. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, stay safe and well.